Yo, pratatatarete. What's up? Man, that was a good one, huh? That was a good little hello, yo. Welcome to everybody. Happy Tuesday. Thanks for coming back. Appreciate you being here on this fine January 28th, Tuesday. Tuesday. We got some cool stuff going on today. Evgen, what's up, dude? Oh man, some more pogs kissing. Okay. I love it. I love how that's a thing now. Welcome in, dude. Thanks for being here. Intense fight. Okay. All right. I dig it. Just gotta move this down here a little bit. Debating JS versus Swift. The battle in my head every freaking day. It's like, why am I here doing this? This JS stuff, man. Damn. All right. Let's get into it, huh? So yesterday we started working on implementing Redux into the app, or continued implementing Redux into the app. We got the app set up. We got Redux working. Man, what was the issue yesterday? Oh God, I forgot what it was. It was something really dumb. What did I do? Is that right here? I honestly don't remember what the fix was yesterday. My brain's blanking right now. What was it? All I remember is we finally set up a logger. We add some color to the logger, which was cool. Weird that one is literally flipped, but still it looks like the different images used. Yeah, dude, I was gonna ask you how you did that. How is that a thing? It's really weird. But yeah, we set up this logger, and so we actually just created a middleware, which is good. It's a good idea. So now in, where was it? In the, not app.js. It should be middleware. In our Redux provider, right? So in our provider, we just set up now this logger thing, and go ahead and actually apply the middleware to the store. So now if we have any more middlewares we want to add in, we can always do that there. Oh, damn. Dude, that's actually pretty cool. That is pretty cool. Oh my God, speaking of which, I'm going to have to change the freaking, the comment one. Else the code's going to be stuck with comments all day. Yeah, but we did that, and we actually got the players view to start providing some stuff, some data, which is awesome. Sure. With that being said, we're gonna start there today. But last night or this morning when I woke up, I saw that one of our own, Enoch, actually submitted a PR. Let's go. A whip. A PR whip. I love how Twitch offers a way to flip your emotes. Waiting for Buddy Build to build my app. Oh man. Sleep away, man. How long does it usually take? But he added a PR for adding the social platform for Apple. And so I think this is a fairly valid PR, but it really is more so for Apple Music. So I think what we should do is probably just write that here. Yeah, let's do this. So pretty much first thing here, actually we'll do this. So this is great. Man, 15 minutes? Oh shit, it's kind of a long time. Actually a fairly long time. Just want to clarify that this will be for Apple Music, not Apple Auth in general. Right? That probably makes sense. I'm not sure if there is a way to do Apple Music / auth. Awesome if you can find out. Cool. Hey James, what's up, dude? Welcome in, man. Nice to see you. How are we doing today? It's including archiving? Oh, that makes it better. Archiving takes freaking forever, especially depending on the machine that you have. Damn, 5:30? Good morning, Geese. Good day to you, my friend. Good morning to me. Yeah, exactly, Evgen. That's why I wanted to clarify that here. So I was saying, yeah, just to clarify, this will be Apple Music, not Apple Auth in general. Because I don't know if Apple Auth is really what we're looking for in regards to Apple Music, or if Apple Music even has any sort of like option like Spotify, right? Like platform sign in. Just got to add SEO tags, and I think that's it. Oh my gosh, are you finally gonna launch it, man? Holy, dude, you better let me know when you launch it. Have a huge live stream launch party. You'll be forced to add it sooner or later, though. Even if it's for Apple Music, I guess let's do a quick look on this. I don't know. Apple Music Auth versus Apple Auth. Music Kit. Should have know this was a thing. Huh. Okay. Well, Apple Music API. Burn it down. Just have everyone hit it. Ah, gotcha. Okay. I didn't know that. Hmm. Yeah. So I'm wondering if in general. Hmm. Yeah, I guess that's a good point. I would hope that if we auth with Apple, or we do our Apple ID auth, then we shouldn't have any issues with. Yeah, we shouldn't have any issues until with actually getting the Apple Music set up. Either way, yeah, like Apple Music API stuff. Either way, we should be okay. So yeah, that's a good point. Thanks, dude. Figure out a way to properly utilize Apple Music API for authentication or as well. And then so for this one, no logic currently, just pretty buttons. All right, let's do a little quick code review, huh? A little quick code PR review. I made this nifty serverless function which gets fav icons from a URL and serves them from CDN. So the links in my blog post get a nice little icon next to them. Hey! Hell yeah, dude. Dude, freaking serverless stuff it's so cool. I love it. I'm working on something else where I'm using a bunch of Firebase functions, and it's like, I don't know, it feels good to write like one piece of code that does one thing. Hell yeah, dude. Lil Kaza, welcome in, welcome back, and thank you for using that Twitch Prime sub for 17 months. Goddamn. Lil Kaza, you've been here since the beginning, dude. Always have, always will be. Appreciate you, man. Here's the 17 months. Wowza. Yeah, sorry I've been gone for a bit, but glad to see you, man. What's going on in life? Always appreciate the support. Okay. Sure, we got login text. What is this? Login text equals login with plus platform friendly name. Platform friendly name is Apple. Oh, sign in. Oh, that's pretty nifty. I like that. Should change this to let. Login text. Makes more sense to eliminate common boilerplate to a service just to focus on business specific code. Yeah, man, it's really cool. It makes things a lot easier and just kind of cleaner, because essentially you're just like, okay, cool, let me just call this one endpoint, let it do whatever it needs to do, and that's it. Oh, thanks, man. Change this TP. Bro, we ran out. Change the TP. And then a platform friendly name equals Apple. Oh, The friendly name he puts. Oh, this will break. Yeah, this won't work because this will be. First of all, it's an object. Sure. Oh, no, sorry. Friendly name Apple. Yeah, there we go. We should go off ID. Probably not friendly name. We should key off ID here. And make sure that we do a... What is it in JavaScript? 2 lower? I always forget. Or is it lowercase? Oh, 2 lowercase. That's what it is, yeah. Also use triple equal signs. There we go. Just made myself some dinner. Had to travel due to some family things, so hopefully back to normal. Oh, okay. Yo, I hope it was everything's okay with the fam, dude. What's on dinner? What's on the dinner menu? I've tried Firebase for ages. I like to the stale cache thing on Zeet though, where the serverless response, you can call Zeet to cache the response on a CDN and serve from that while uploading background. Oh shit, that's actually really cool. I hadn't heard about that. That's sick, man. And yeah, it was 2 lowercase. Nice doing. Yeah, okay, so that looks good there. And then login text was equals sign in with platform plus friendly name. And we should actually change this to make this a tad cleaner. We should change this to we should change the value to. Yeah. Log. I think it's login with probably, right? Platform dot friendly name. Yeah, okay. Hey, Kosi, what's up? Yeah, you just add one header to the response to get that? Dude, that is so sick. So that's how easy it is, huh? Huh. Oh, dude, have you seen the new JetBrains mono font? I'm in love with it. It's so nice. I haven't yet. I haven't. Dude, JetBrains has always had a real nice font. I used JetBrains for a while. And let's do this here. Oh, I always forget. Let me do this. Can you paste that again for me, dude? So I can get it over my new window. Thank you, sir. Yeah, let's take a look at this new font, huh? Oh, damn. Oh. Okay. Dude, that's like... That looks actually pretty sick. Wow. It reminds me a lot of Xcode's font. Honestly. Looks pretty good. Dude, that's awesome. Thanks for sharing, man. Dude, and I love... Holy crap, what a great website. This is great. What? Wow. That's sick, man. I love it. Hey, Stacking, welcome back, man. Yeah, that's some hot stuff right there, all I gotta say. That's all I gotta say right there. Okay, and I wanted to say the same thing for here. Same thing here. This will just be sign in with gasp. Sign in with and then platform friendly name. Okay, cool. No, dude, it's all good. We're just going through a PR, man. It's all good. I like the new knowledge. Okay, cool. So we added comment there, and then we have this here. So that's great. That'll be good. And then we have the Apple icon asset placeholder. Cool. So once he gets that in, we'll be good. Adding comment for a reminder. And cool. So ID, color, glyph path. Awesome. Yeah, so far so good. Looking good. I think there was one thing I wanted to do. Are the Europeans done with the PR requests at 4 a.m.? I don't know, man. Pull request. Oh, I didn't even notice, dude. Oh, yeah. Jesus. I mean, it was pretty nice. I think that was it. Yeah, I thought there was something I was thinking of. I think that's good. I think we're good. So in general, We got a PR for the button, bro. Cool. Oh, and then I need to change the branch, actually. This needs to be... I might need to... copy. Ah, here we go. Needs to go to release 1. Cool. All right. PR reviewed and in. I'm the same type of people that say pin number. I also got GitHub Dark theme set up. It even swaps the font to the JetBrains mono for me. Oh my. Dude, of course, as soon as something like that comes out, you'd be on top of that. That's sick. Your eyes will love you. Oh, baby. Ooh. Damn. Okay. Okay. Wow, this is super cool. I'm going to make sure to save this so I can do this as well. I actually might set up on my work computer today. All right, so we got the PR reviewed. Now it's time to move on to the actual code over here. Yeah, so today we'll be working on actually implementing Redux within the app. Because we have Redux set up. Now we just need to actually start using the data from it. Redux! Oh boy. Hey, Kosi. It's go time, friends. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Hopefully this will actually be pretty fantastic. I'm excited to see this stuff work. Make this a tad bit larger. Let me know if I think that font size is okay. Just let me know. I should submit one big bug PR. Oh no. I mean, you can if you find them. Oh no, that's... Yeah, there we go. All right. So first things first, let's check out. I think we committed everything. I don't know why I call this navigation, but we're doing this in the navigation branch, it looks like. So let's do an npm run start. I guess we don't even need to do that. Or actually, yeah. Let's make sure it's still working. You're looking at him right now? Jeez. Thanks. Thanks, Kosi. Thanks for the love. What's the sub-only GitHub project? Oh yeah, so a while back we were working on a I forgot. I think it was a Discord bot or something. Everyone wanted to work on that, but yeah, it was only for subs to come in and contribute and build it. But that kind of hasn't been a thing for a while. I need to go through and clean up a lot of stuff here on the stream in regards to that. But yeah, I mean, you're more than welcome to look at it and get stuff done with it for sure. I spent hours narrowing down a bug in Next.js and actually found the cause. They're working on a fix at the moment. Hey, nice. Dude, that's so rewarding. Heck yeah. Was it a big bug or it was just a tiny one? Copy paste message? I mean, it is a thing still. It is a thing. It's just no one has really been working on it. I guess is what I'm trying to get at. It's the 4 spaces in code. Oh no. Well, a tab makes 4 spaces, which is fine, right? All right, so if you look at the console right now, so we actually set up our logger to log out the Redux stuff like this. We do this thing called add mock data, and currently right now that's obviously just adding mock data. And then it shows us what's actually coming back. So we have our playlist set up here. So now the goal is to get that data, stick it into our app, and go from there. Oh, snap. Nice, man. That's good. Good stuff. So I actually had a lot of trouble yesterday with getting Redux dev tools to work on this platform. I don't know why. I spent like a good 45 minutes, almost an hour. And I was like, I really just do not see what's going on here. So like right now for what we're doing, honestly, just logging out the actions and the data, I think should be okay. It's not a huge deal. But yeah, hopefully I can get that set up at some point. Okay, so what we do is on use effect, we're actually calling fetch playlists. So get playlists. And so this is essentially what is happening right here. And then at that point, we check to see if the platform is Android. And this is for some back button press stuff, so that part doesn't really matter. And then we don't need this anymore, right? We don't need our use state, because now in yeah, map state to props, we're actually returning our playlist with the proper reducers. So instead of doing this, I'm gonna comment this stuff out just so we can get it working. That should be fine. So now instead of this will stop playlists. Yes, this will be add playlist action. We'll come back to that. And then delete playlist action. Again, come back to that. Add song to playlist. Delete song from playlist. Yep. Update songs in playlist. Handle back press. And then navigate. That's fine. Okay, so at this point, we can actually make sure our data is coming in. So we can do props.playlist. All right, that should do it. Oh, must use a deconstructing props assignment? Did I not? Well, if we're doing... Oh, wait. Yeah, okay. I gotcha. So at this point... Right, we can come here and say const playlists equals props.playlists. Or no. How do you do the deconstruction of that? I remember once using TypeScript to do boilerplate with Redux. The amount of typing was actually stupidly overkill. Then as I made my commit, removed all my semicolons pre-commit. You're like, no, why? The React helmet was made by the NFL. That makes me chuckle. What's the React helmet stacking? Evil devil forces that in boilerplate. Oh, right, right. Thanks, dude. Yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, we're gonna keep props up there probably. But yeah, down here, let's do const playlists equals props. I guess we should probably do that at the top, right? Deconstruct it up here. Oh, right, because we have this. I'm gonna call this let's do Redux playlist. Redux props maybe? Just for now. And so we'll call this const. Oh, but we have to call it playlist, right? Oh, poopy. But I guess that's okay. Let's call this some playlist. Hey, Norzian, what's up? Good day. I'm doing well, thank you. I hope you're doing well too. Thanks for being here. Did you know you can deconstruct deeper than one level, which is awesome? I actually had no idea. Oh, gotcha. Dude, that's so weird. I like that though. Super cool. Oh, dude, that's actually really cool, James. Nice. Very cool. Okay, so at this point, then we should have playlists. Excuse me. Not much. I'm tired and have the flu, but alive. It's been a while since I had the chance to come and hang out. I know it's been a minute, but I've also kind of been gone for a little bit, so that's partially my fault as well. Dude, but I hope you get over the flu. I had the flu a couple weeks ago and it was god awful. It's terrible. So rest up, drink those fluids. All right, so we just added our playlist from our Redux state into our swipeless view. So now let's go ahead and take a look to see if our playlist view actually works. If our playlists show up, that means it is working, which is fantastic. PM run start run start. I got tons of coffee. Oh no, dude, you gotta hydrate, man. Some water, some orange juice. Deconstructing. Could be worse. You could have coronavirus. Yeah. Yo, it's an epidemic, man. All right, well, we got some playlists. So that must mean it's working, eh? Heck yeah. We got some playlists up in here. Nice. Plot twist, we all have corona. Oh my gosh. Four cases in my city? Oh snap. No, yeah, for sure, for sure. But this is even worse, man. And only the ultimate memers survive. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, dude, when I had the flu, I literally couldn't move from my bed from like 4 days or 3 days, and I wanted coffee so bad, but I couldn't do it. I just kept drinking tons of water. So I'm like, I'm gonna die if I drink even a cup of coffee right now. Oh snap. Yeah, I know here in Washington, I think we have at least one case. I don't know how many more we have though. Okay, cool. So it looks like we just fetch our playlists. We don't need to do this anymore. And then our Android stuff. And then we set our Redux props here. And then I guess it's time to actually start like just doing it. Like that's it, right? So that's all we got to do. Just start making actions for implementing stuff. Pretty sweet. I've been drinking so much coffee, I hardly notice its effect. Oh no. That's sad. It's a sad day. Actually, I think that might be happening to me. I think about it. I've noticed, at least like in the mornings when I wake up and I'm drinking coffee, like right now I feel good. But in a couple hours when I start driving to work, I'll crash. I'll be like, oh my God. Hey, silly. What's that, dude? Two confirmed cases. It starts with two. Drank 2 monsters and it was like, okay, where's the energy? Oh no. 2 monsters? Jesus, James. My God. Just need coffee and a saline drip. Like, just imagine. You come into work one day or like you're walking around and you have like the little pole that has the saline drip bag and just filled with coffee and you're like, hey, what's up guys? You want some of my drip? It's a new way to drink dripped coffee. Oh. Hey, nice emote, Evgen. I like it. Currently at work crashing. What's up, chill guy? Dude, I'm sorry. Sorry that you're crashing. You got this. Coffee is life, though. I would agree. Dude, working in an office is a good time. When I was working from home, it was pretty fantastic, but like it's nice to go to work and like have your own space solely for work, like your setup, your desk, blah blah blah, and then just being around like other people and coworkers is always nice, especially when you have questions and stuff. All right, so actions, eh? So we have the mock data reducer again, which gets your stiff deer. And then we need to we have a Redux provider, and I guess it's just our actions now, right? So I think we should separate them out into different types. So we can have new folder, playlist. So these will be the playlist actions. So the first one is add playlist, add to playlist. Add playlist action. Metabolize if you stop for 2 days, it will be out of your system. You can start new. Oh, really? That's actually pretty good, Stacking. I actually didn't know that. Nice. Fun fact of the day. I love being able to work from home, but I need a bigger place because my office and bedroom are the same room and it's starting to weigh on my motivation. Oh, dude, yeah. I had that in the old place I was in. And so now, like, the new place I'm in, we actually have a separate room. So it's a huge... I didn't realize how bad it was actually making me sleep. And it's so weird because I was like, it's not a big deal. It's not a big deal at all. Oh, shit, you work at Microsoft? I do. Yeah. On Xbox. Yeah, buddy. That is the thing that I do. Embed me, nerd. Oh, God. All right. Comment coming in. This is Lil Lil Kaza. Holy! Let's go! What is up? Dude, Tim, thank you so much for that. Gnarly raid. 28 people. Woo! Tim, I hope your stream is going well, dude. Hope the game's going well too. Huge shout out, guys. If any of you haven't watched Tim's stream, go check it out. Tim's a cool guy. I like him. I wish I had more time to catch your streams, dude. But thank you so much for that beautiful raid. Beautiful. Go give him a follow. Hest Onion, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Yeah, Joe, mad props. The mad props. Everyone coming in from Tim's stream, my name's Alec. I work on a social collaborative playlist application for iOS and Android. Currently using React Native. And today we're working on implementing Redux throughout the application. And yeah, hopefully by the end of this we'll have, not hopefully, we will by the end of this have an app that everyone can use. Should be a good time. Yeah, dude. Oh yeah, and then there's time differences and such. It's always difficult, but it's always a difficult one. But we are actually in the middle of embedding a comment into the code. But yeah, how is everything, man? Yo, what's up, Medium? Welcome in. Medium rare ice cream, Jeff. I like it. Irago, what's up? What's up? 01/28/2020. All right, little Kaza. There you go, bud. I'm tired. Yeah. Definitely can relate to that for sure. So we're actually in the process of creating our first action called add playlist action. And essentially that's just going to go right here. And what I'm thinking that we do is we'll keep the way that the actions are set up currently. So we're passing all of these actions to, where is this one going? Oh, right. This is going into our navigation overlay. Yeah. So this actually needs, does this need to happen? Or we might be able to do it in, might be able to do it in the add playlist modal itself. But anywho, we're essentially doing that. And so we'll still have to write an action to add it to our playlist. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Oh, Silly did one as well. Yeah. Didn't see that. Thanks, dude. Too many points. Too many. God damn it. I got to change this, man. Telling you, our code's just going to be filled up with points. All right. Woke up at 16 hours ago and left, left 8 hours to work 1 hour ago. Holy moly. I just never sleep. It's hard. It's hard to sleep sometimes. Especially if you don't want to. It's the worst. All right, so let's see how action should work. Eh? So first thing is, right, we need to go into our actions. I had an actions type here. So this will be general. And then we have a playlist. Just playlist actions. And then we have export const. We'll say add playlist. Nice. So we do this thing here, right? And then, right, we'll pass in the action when we do our dispatch, which makes sense. Action play jobs your objects. Action must have a type property that indicates the type of action being performed. Yeah, so that makes sense. Okay. And then other than type, the structure of the action object is really up to you. And then action creators are exactly the functions they create actions. Oh, gotcha. So it's like to do, return, or action with whatever it is. Okay. I should be at school, but now I'm a nerd. Why are you skipping school today, man? Okay, this is cool. So in Redux, action creators simply return an action. So maybe we should create something like that over here. This file is already getting kind of big though, which sucks. We just have all these actions. Yeah. I do playlists here. Maybe what we can do is for now, we'll do action creators. And then we'll figure out a way to separate this out. It's my birthday, so my parents are letting me. Hey, happy birthday, dude. That's awesome. So what are the big plans for today then? Or this evening? Cheers. Cheers, cheers all around. So we'll call this thing add playlist. They just did add to do. So add playlist. It's just going to equal this thing. I feel like we should call this like add playlist action creator, right? So our action should take in a new playlist object, and then like they're saying return should be type, and we need to actually bring that in here. So our action type needs to be imported. Oh, I already did. Nice. And then it's going to be action types dot add playlist. And then we can pass in our playlist as the second part of that object. Play video games? Hey, nice. Time to work. Yo, thanks, Tim. Thanks again for the raid, man. Appreciate you being here. Have a good day at work. All right, cool. So this is our action creator. So then we can just, in Redux, this is not the case. Instead, to actually initiate dispatch, pass the result to the dispatch function. Right. Okay. Yay, medium rare ice cream, Jeff. Thank you so much for the follow, friend. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here. Ooh. Oh, dude, we actually had a convention in Seattle last weekend, apparently. I wasn't here, unfortunately, but yeah. Okay, cool. So then in our props, we can do add playlist. And then here, we should be able to do dispatch. Oh, gotcha. So we should do the same thing here. And it should be add playlist. And this thing is going to take in a playlist. Oh, because I did this inside probably. Yeah. So let's do. Oh wait, no. It's this guy, action creators. Yeah. So here. We'll do that. And then let's create one for this one too. Yeah, I know some key peeps in Seattle. Hey, nice. Yeah, it would have been cool. I would have loved to do it. I'm taking motivation off you, James, to eventually build a keyboard once I get a little bit more funds. I'm totally going to do it. So let's call this fetch playlists. So we're just making another action creator here. I kind of like this is pretty solid. This action creator stuff definitely makes it a lot cleaner and like organized. Even though I feel like my organization right now could be a tad bit better, but we'll see how this goes. Yeah, dude, it is definitely a little weird. I still am kind of like iffy on hooks, but I kind of like it. Honestly, it's a lot cleaner and readable. Stop being a lazy bum and go stream. Yeah. What's up, GT? Welcome in, man. Thanks for being here. I streamed for 7 hours this morning. Oh, baby. Well, thanks for being here, man. It's a long time. Okay. And so then we call our dispatch. And at that point, when our dispatch goes through, that's going to hit our reducer, right? So action.type case add mock data. We'll do that. I probably should rename this to something like playlist reducer instead of mock data reducer, right? Something I learned to use more is use memo and use callback. Use memo is so good once you know how to use it. Yeah, I throughout some of my code here, I have a couple use memos. Like sometimes I'll be writing it, I'm like, oh snap, okay, cool. I realize that this is just this component literally is doing nothing. So let's just do a use memo on it. It's just there to display stuff. Yeah, let's rename this thing. We'll call this playlist reducer. Or playlist data reducer. I don't know if that's going to change in other spots. Hey, Poopa, what's up, dude? Something else, consider you can dispatch thunk so all your logic doesn't live in the component and or reducer. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think that definitely is something that we can look into. I want to get this first action done and then commit that, and then I'm down to actually look at that and figure out how we can better organize this, because at least in the playlist view, like holy bejesus, a lot of stuff going on there. But okay, so at this point, then we have case. This one should be. This should really be. Let's see, add playlist. So I should be doing this here. And then we're going to return. Oh, so add playlist. We'll take in the state is the initial state. And it has our playlists. See that playlist and the mock playlist. If I'm doing to do and I pass in the text, right? I think this action not filter. Okay, yeah, it's the action then. So at this point, when I pass in add playlist, our playlist will come in, and then we do, it does a dispatch on that. Add playlist, the type, and then it has the playlist. So then action.playlist will be what I access at that point. Okay, cool. So when we do that here, we can actually just do a return of the spread of our current state, right? And then it's just going to be our playlist objects with the spread of our state.playlists, and then including our action.playlist. Right, that makes sense. So at this point, we're just taking the playlist passed in and then adding it to our spreaded playlist here. It becomes playlist. Nice. Okay. So you can dispatch a function the same way. Playlist ID, dispatch fetch playlist, and do something else playlist ID. Your thunk may look like const fetch playlist ID. Okay. Then you can dispatch action to the thunk to interact with the reducer. Gotcha. Yeah, it's definitely a little over my head because I first of all don't know what a thunk is, so I'll have to look into that a bit more. Yeah, I'm like I don't actually know what that means, but I have seen the term. I just don't know what it is. I actually think I saw it like yesterday or something. Cool. So I think that should do the trick. We'll do a little test here in a minute. This is what I want to do. What action types? Which ones are being used? So add playlist and add mock data. Change this up real quick. Okay, cool. Stalker is a generated function. But you stick with the function center as a part of JavaScript. Most people don't see a function that can be dispatched. Oh, gotcha. Okay. Yeah. Oh, I think they were talking about that here somewhere. They didn't call it a thunk though. It looked like that. It was. Oh yeah, something like this is kind of what reminds me of what you just described. Essentially this bound action creator thing that creates the action and then dispatches it, but you can technically add more logic here. Cool. Very, very nice. All right, so we have that set up. Now the next thing to do is in here, we're going to want to actually go ahead and do props dot add playlist, right? That's what this thing's called down here. Add playlist. Then we just pass in our playlist. And I think that should probably do the trick. So now, again, what I was saying, we're going to keep this in here just to make sure it works. But then I'm going to see if I can actually move that to the modal itself, possibly. So then we can just take this action out of here altogether. But we shall see. Run iOS start. Oh, yep, I need to change that since I did change the name. Here. This is now called Playlist Data Reducer. Playlist Data Reducer. Yeah, we'll do this. Playlist Data Reducer. Let's see if that does the trick. Oh no, wrong one. Gasp! Got all messed up. So a thunk can return anything but accepts no arguments. Okay. Can return anything but accepts no arguments. A thunk. What? It's such a weird word. What? Like, what does... Who came up with that? I don't know why. It's like, you know when you say a word too long or too many times or you look at it for too long? That's what it reminds me of. All right, so we come in here. Oh. Cannot read properly plays if undefined. What? Cannot read properly playlists of undefined. In connect function at Redux provider JS16. Yeah, map state to props. Place 197. Mock data provider. I gotta change that. Oh man, I have a little stuffy. This thing here, playlist data reduce. Oh wait, what? Redux provider. Redux provider. State mock data reducer. It's not that. I forgot where that was actually set, right? So it's yeah, it should just be playlist data reducer. Let's try it again. Higher order function. There we go. All right, so here you can see that we received our mock data. Oh, hello. Why did it double? Didn't even notice that. Wait, what? Oh, oh, oh. So this is... Wait, no. Because the state shouldn't... Is it persisting? No, right? Or is it? Why did it just double it? Yeah, why did it just double it? That was kind of weird. I am a Redux playlist. And then we'll just do ya boy Alec. Great. Hey, it worked. It's that easy. Holy bejesus. So if I go in here, there's no songs. That makes sense. Nice. Okay. So, seems pretty straightforward. Some other playlist. Nice. So it was that easy. So we've set up now our Redux state to give us our mock playlist. We've set it up with another action to add a new playlist to that. And now I just need to see if I actually wrapped my overlay. I'm pretty sure I probably did with our Redux state, because if that's the case, now we don't need the action to be here in the playlist view. We just we'll put it over in the modal, right? So let's go over to, not that guy. We'll go over to the index.js. Yeah, add play as modal name. Right? Yeah, it's this guy. So, if that's the case, then we're going to go to the add playlist modal. Add playlist modal. And essentially do the same thing. And we're going to remove it from the other section, the playlist view. So let's do that. So if I can remember, it's like this. And then we have connect. Oh, but I need to import the stuff first. So it's import connect. And then default connect. And then these things. Yeah. And then we have to make those. Okay. And then map state to props. And then what did I call them down here essentially? Okay, so we have our action creators. And this thing. I guess we're just mappers, right? And so here, map state to props, we're going to need for this component. Yeah, this is specifically just an add playlist modal. So at this point, we're just creating a playlist. And if we're just creating a playlist, then I don't think we actually need what are we passing in? Are we passing in things here? I believe so. Oh, just the title and then the actual action to do it. So I think the only thing we need is actually add playlist in our map to map dispatch to props. Because we're only going to be dispatching this, right? And so we can actually just do this. And then, so we have Redux mappers, and then we have Redux action creators, right? And so then we can just take the one that we just created, this guy, bring that here, and then yeah, that looks good. And then we need to import this thing, the type, up here, over here. Don't need this. Add playlist, sweet. Awesome. So at this point, hey, James Harris, thank you very much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team. Glad to have you here, my friend. Thanks for being here. So at this point, we just call add playlist, and we pass in the playlist that we've just created. And then that will dispatch our action, and we should be good to go. Hell yeah. All right, let's try it out. So add playlist now. That needs to go into playlist name value change. So we did need this, and that at this point, run playlist action. We do that, add playlist, do that, and then dismiss the overlay. So we're actually not going to need this anymore. Let's pass in the title, playlist view now. We can remove this guy. I found this nice introducer about thunks and Redux. Sweet, dude. Highly appreciate that. I'm going to put that in a tab for later. The heck is a thunk? Yep. Sounds about right. Yeah, thanks, James. I think we're looking good, folks. Yeah, so now this is just gonna run our dispatch, and then we dismiss. I love how I have why is this here. If playlist name value doesn't equal anything. Where is playlist name value? It's right here, okay. And so probably like stop this and show error. I think that's what I probably meant to do. I don't know. Oh, run playlist action. Okay, cool. So let's run our bundle. npm run start, and then npm iOS start. npm run iOS start. Let's see it happen. And then we can also see our log over here. But at this point, oh, actually there might be, it might not work properly, but let's see. So we get our first add mock data action there. Cool. And we can see that we have the 3 playlists there. And so now when I go here and I'm like Redux playlist, oops, Redux playlist, Alec is the only member currently. We create that. Okay, so the action actually never was called because that would have logged there. Add playlist. Playlist type, add playlist. So we did wrong here. Excuse me. Yeah, okay. That's right. Oh, yeah, I see. It's props.add playlist. And that's what the problem is here. So we're going to actually have to change this to props. And then wherever title is, props.title. All right, and deconstruct it. Okay. So maybe in this instance, this is where we should properly deconstruct it. So this would be title, and then would be add playlist. You should dispatch on action with type data. Oh, you mean having a param name as data? It's probably a good call, for sure. What? Okay, that's weird. Good call. Yeah, let me change that. Yeah. So you want to use a different access or reach action type. Up to you though. Well, so if I'm understanding you correctly, it should be no, actually, I don't think I understand what you mean. You should dispatch an action with type data. Like, are you saying this? And then over in like add playlists. Yeah. Yeah, that's exactly what I was following. Okay, cool. Yeah, no, that makes sense. I thought that's what you were saying, but just wanted to clarify there. Thank you, sir. So at this point then, this would be state.data. Oh no, sorry, no, state.playlist and then action.data is what it would be. Cool. And then again, this should make sense. We have title and then add playlist as our prop values. Add playlist is being set down here. Yeah, okay. So now this should properly run. Redux playlist. And then we have Alec. Hell yeah. Nice. And so you can see here, received action, add playlist with data. And that's just our playlist type. And then our next would be play as data reducer. Boom. Oh. It's actually pretty sick, man. That looks awesome. Mom, I'm doing React and Redux. You should be proud, Mom. Mom, hello? Hello, Mom? Let's go. That's great. This was definitely the move. I remember Poopa from the beginning. You were like, bro, you should just use Redux. And I'm just like, nah, we good. Or we were trying to use context for a while. And then because of the React native navigation library, it was a no-go. But this is so sick. This is so sick. Yeah, rip context. My friend's like, why are you using Redux? That's so 2007. And I was like, oh, well, here's why. What do you mean you don't have Redux store for your Redux stores? Oh, man. Mobix too? Yeah, I've heard a bit about it as well. But we also use Redux at work, so I was like, might as well just, get into it for now. I haven't touched it too much yet, but I'm sure I will eventually, so be cool to have this sort of experience first. Okay, cool. So add playlist action. Adios. Dude, that feels so good just to remove that. Nice. See ya. See ya. All right. So I think this is a good place to commit, and then we can start moving on to essentially decoupling the actions from the playlist view, and pretty much go from there. Am I using this anymore? I am. I don't want to remove this fully yet because obviously it's gonna break everything. But I don't think we're gonna need this soon. Add playlist modal shown. Yeah, that's cool. And then key extractor, blah, blah, blah. I think we are good here. So let's commit this thing, assuming that everything looks good. Hey, you want to kill this up, dude? Just came home from work. 4-hour discussion about my design. They said it will take 1,500 hours of front end and 1,000 hours of back end. What? Wow, dude, what design did you build up? But good day to you, sir. Sorry, man, it's a long day at work. Hopefully it was fun, though. All right, yeah, let's just verify what we've changed. I like going like this. And then go here, so. And our playlist view again, we added, we can remove that. This stuff just gonna be there. Right now, that's okay. So this is not being used, just fine. Added this thing here. Added this thing here. And then what else did we do? Added our action creator here. Redux mappers here. And then, yeah, that's it. So that looks good. Must be working at some serious place able to estimate that many hours. Yeah, that's yeah, it's a lot of work. Sounds pretty wild. Cool. So we added our connect, our add playlist type, and then here, cool. We just added the add playlist option there. Change that. Then we do run action to create playlist and dismiss. And then down here, this is where we added the cool stuff. Add playlist, action creator. And add playlist. Cool. Looks good there as well. Then we added this new action type, which is add playlist. And this is add mock data. Settings UI for anti-money laundering system used by large banks. Ooh. Ooh, man. So did you have to learn, like, there obviously is some sort of learning curve behind that, right? Like the best way to create a UI based on money laundering or anti-money laundering. You know what I mean? I don't know. It looks pretty weird though. And then we change this to be playlist data reducer. And now it's playlist data reducer. All right. Looking good, dude. Git add. Git commit. Implementing add playlist action. Whoa, we pushed it. They have a washing machine as a loader for the UI because of the name. Wait, for real? That's great. I love it. Oh man, that's fantastic. See, I love when companies are like that. So that's such a meme. Such a meme right there. All right, cool. So next step, keep working on the actions. So let's go back to components, playlist view. And the next thing we need to do is delete playlist action. So for this guy, will have to do the same deal. Set up a new action here. So action type. Export const. Delete playlist. And that should be. That will be a delete playlist. Oh no. Delete playlist. All right, cool. And then we can import. Where are we gonna do this? This one's going to be. We got to figure out where this one actually goes. Okay, gotcha. So this is a swipeable playlist item. And this is delete playlist action. What did I thought I made this more generic, didn't I? Did I not? Oh, swipeable playlist item. Right. Okay, so I do the animated swipe row thing here. And then the swipe action callback is this. Okay, so this action is going to stay here. We're going to dispatch it from the playlist view. But we are passing it into our animated swipe row. Because what else could we do in this scenario? I don't think there really is anything that we need other than this. Right, our swipeable playlist. Oh, right, because this one is specifically for the playlist. So we can actually add the action here. Oh, no. Can we? If I didn't wrap this... So since this component is part of that, hold up, let me pull this up, see if I can think this through. So swipeable playlist item, since we didn't register the component and wrap it in the Redux provider, but we did wrap our playlist view in the Redux provider. That means we should be able to access because this is just another component inside of that, right? So at this point, we should still be able to set up our... Should we though, or should we just pass it in? I feel like since this is the delete playlist action, it would make sense, or the swipeable playlist item, it would make sense to add the action in here, like delete playlist, add song, and then delete song from playlist. Yeah, like that stuff. Babble. Cool. So let's try doing that. I think that makes more sense. Shoe here. We're gonna go ahead and do again this thing. Oh. Whoopsie. And then I'm gonna follow this here. Okay. Oops. And at this point, on this thing again. And our action creator will be something different. Map dispatch to props, and this will be delete playlist. Yep, and then so this should be essentially the same. Delete playlist, and so at this point we'd come down here, put that there, data the playlist that we want to delete. And then swipeable playlist item. So we have the swipe action here, trash icon, playlist item, delete playlist, animated swipe row, blah, blah, blah. Okay. So that should set that up. So actually to call it, we're going to go to is delete and set delete on confirm delete playlist action. Which one was this guy? Delete playlist. Come on. Are you sure you want to delete playlist name? Playlist data dot name. And then text delete. And then on press on confirm delete is where we're actually deleting it. Set is deleting to true. Yeah, okay. But then this, where does this get called? This is here. And then it's render swipe action component. Swipe action component. Confirm delete playlist action. It's the action that's gonna go through. So where did I actually do this? This thing. Oh, right, the swipe action callback. Oh, so I pass in the ID. Gotcha. So let's change this to playlist ID. Playlist ID. The action playlist ID. Playlist ID. Cool. Yo, what's up, crew Manek? Thanks so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixologic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Welcome in. Cool. Yeah, that makes sense. And then where was that thing again? The callback. There it is. Yeah. Okay. And on this thing, we're going to do delete playlist. This is our action, and we need to make sure, so this will be delete playlist. So that will be what's mapped. Did I change that? I did. Now we need to go back over here. Delete playlist. We can remove like that because it's going to get mapped. Hey, I'm a beginner programmer and I'm learning C++ right now. Do you have any tips? Well, nice. Welcome to the programming world, friend. Hope you're enjoying it and you're learning a lot. So I guess the only tips I would say is it might take some time, and that's okay. Programming's hard, it's not easy. But do your best to, even if you're looking at examples, don't just copy and paste examples. Write each line of code by hand. That's the best way to learn it if you're trying to figure out something, or you're using an example or something like that. Best way to get used to things like that. But other than that, just keep coding and build projects, man. And I hope it works out for you. I don't know if that's any good advice, but I hope so. Hope a little bit. I guess the biggest thing I always like to say is just build projects. Any small apps you can make a calculator app, make a name changing app in C++ and whatever. You learn a lot by doing stuff like that. All right, cool. So let's see if this action works, right? Oh, we have to put it in our reducer, or it's not going to work at all. But yeah, so why did I make this thing? What was I going to do with this? Was this going to be my action creator? I don't even remember. I think that's what the plan was. That didn't actually end up going as I expected. Oh, I think I was potentially going to put it in here. Let's do that. I was going to do something like... Okay, we can actually delete this folder. And then we're going to do new file, playlist actions.js. Then I can actually move, I could probably just move all those out then, right? Yeah, that'd be pretty sick. That's a good tip. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So export default, we'll call this guy playlist actions. And essentially, I guess I can just do this. Yeah. Essentially what we want to do is just add these dudes in here. So maybe it actually makes sense to do kind of what we did in the action types. We do an export const. So we do export const. And then we'll call this add playlist action. And then in here, we can literally just write a method that returns this. So we're going to take the current playlists, new playlists, and then we do this. And then instead of doing that all in line, we can just import this file, pass it in. We are good to go. Prefer default export, that's okay. Because we're gonna add another one. And now you won't complain. So add playlist action, remove playlist action. Current playlists, playlist to remove. Oh, playlist ID to remove. Oh, I totally fudged that up as well. This should be, so playlist, so it should be current playlists and then new playlist. Like that. And then we should have remove playlist action, which we will implement shortly. But now we should be able to do import for all. Actually, no, we should probably do it like this, right? Add playlist action. And then from here we can do actions, playlist actions. And then we can do this. Hey, I think that's a pretty clean solution. I like it. I like it. And then, oh, but I keep doing this for the wrong one. God damn it. Should be here. Like that. Close code is just like when I use this bug feature. Jeez. Oh man. Just like monkas. All right, all right. What line you want, Lil Kaza? What line? Nah, I'll put it in there. Trying my code so hard, man. Wherever? Yeah, I'll put it right here. Lil Kaza. This was a terrible idea. Shouldn't have done this. All right, cool. So we added that. I guess let's make sure that works. And then we're going to need the delete one eventually. All right, I guess let's just implement the delete. So in our reducer, when we have case delete playlist, did I already add that here? I did. Nice. Instead of code review, meme review. Where's the best meme in the code? That'd actually be pretty good. Would be down for that. State, and then we have playlists again. And this is just going to be remove. Whoa. All right, Lokaza, thanks for coming by, dude. Thanks for the 17 months, you crazy, crazy dude. For real, man. It's always fun hanging out. Have a great rest of your night. See you next time. Oh, remove plays. Which probably calls delete playlist action. Be consistent with that naming, you know what I mean? Which line you want to kill me? Which line would you like? It's a good one. Yo! What's up, ATN Design? Doing good, doing good. How are you doing today? Welcome to the stream. Whatever line. Hey, Yimorks. Oh, sorry, he's sneaking in. My bad. Shh. No one's saying anything. I gotta copy this thing. I think. Hopefully that's it. You're doing good as well. Heck yeah. We're gonna line up the comments here. God damn it. Oh man, I gotta change the amount of points for that stuff. This is too much. Too much, man. But I do like it a lot. I think it's great. State.playlists and then action.data. Dude, Grüvee's going well, man. I'm doing Redux, so a bunch of data management stuff for the app, or state management, which is, it's actually a lot of fun. I'm really, really enjoying it. And it's cool. It's cool to see it like all starting to work. And then after we get this state management stuff set up, probably will be another like day or so to clean up and do all that. We'll actually start setting up some services, which will be top tier. But yeah, dude, how's it going, man? It's nice to see you 2 days in a row. All right, so the delete playlist action is literally just doing this. We're just running a filter on the thing here, which is really cool. So we'll go to our playlist actions, and essentially all we're gonna do is return this. And so it's gonna be current playlists dot filter, and then it's going to be for each playlist. Playlist ID. If it doesn't equal the playlist ID to remove, then we're gonna keep it. Else we're gonna remove it. Thanks, man. Yeah, it's been pretty epic for sure. It's been really fun. Just glad, honestly glad to be back streaming. I'm like, oh, I wonder if I should set up a streak counter, because I'm trying to see the longest streak I can stream for in days. Too far, we're 2 days in. It's epic, man. Yeah, company I'm doing a website for decided to add like 10 features onto what I'm already building for them, and I want to get it done by March, so big rip. Wow. Dude, that's a lot of work. Thoughts on getting it done? Are you going to be able to do it? What am I saying? Of course you will. I got to change the amount of points for this stuff. It is too much. Oh, god damn it. Coming in. 24 hours, 7-day streak, or else riot. Honest, like, I feel like I could stream every day. The problem is I don't think I could stream every single day at 5:30. It takes a toll on me pretty heavily. So I gotta change it up, you know? God damn it, James. What is this? An asterisk? For real? What? What? I can't even see what that thing is. Or is it a backtick? Oh no, you gotta copy it? Bro, I don't even think I can copy it. Oh, there it is. Sort of. No! What a goddamn troll. Yo, Stoop Kid, what's up? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixelogic team. Glad to have you here, man. Did like 100 of them? Oh my god. Yeah, I was like, what is this? This is... God damn it, man. No one's gonna ever want to contribute to this code base now because of this. They're gonna be like, what the actual fuck? Oh, man. But how? How did you do this? The Twitch font is broken to standard backtick, but Twitch font has a character width set to 0. Oh, gotcha. You would know something like that. Man. Wow. That was good. That was good. I applaud you for that one. All right, let's see if this thing works, eh? I'll go from there. NPM run start. I don't think I forgot anything. How's your instant rule for Max line with doing? Probably hates me. It's probably like, stop. Why do you keep doing this to me? I'll just type 100 backticks until the Twitch chat sees what happens. I could have done. Oh no, I don't even want to look. Honestly, the best part is breaking things sometimes, you know? It's just like, well. All right, so we got the add mock data. Cool. Oh. We're going to actually have to do something real quick. So, because on this slide thing, yeah. Let me fix that up real quick. This should be stack ID and then right. And then I think this is visible as an option on this. Let's do false. I think if I can just change that, it shouldn't do. Oh. Or we just comment this out right now. That's also probably pretty simple-ish idea. Or the whole thing. Yeah, I gotta fix that. Yeah, there we go. Wait, what? What the? My swipe doesn't work anymore? Or the logic is messed up. Oh no. Oh no. I worked on red teams after that. Oh, that's cool, dude. No, I just have fun. Oh, yeah, that works. Hey, thanks, Teamworks. Appreciate you being here, dude. Have a good sleep. Hope to catch you tomorrow again, man. Does this character show for you in Twitch chat? These ones, yeah. Nice. I don't know what I broke here. I don't know what I broke here. Because this is side menu, so that shouldn't matter. Does it do it for... Huh. This is kind of weird. Well, let's take a look at this then. Did I change the swipe, like... I think I actually might be setting... There's the amount of drag that can come out over here, so maybe I just don't have it set enough? That's weird, though, because I don't think I've touched that. Hold up. Let's rebuild this thing real quick. I'm kind of skeptical right now. So again, npm run start. And then npm run iOS start. Nice. Silently pinging Twitch dev support. I think something's broken here, guys. No, it actually does not work. Okay. Okay, give me 1 second. I gotta pee real quick. I will be right back, friends. Yellow that. Sorry about that. Okay, let's figure out what the heck is going on here. What the heckle is going on here? So if it has to do with the swipe, the first thing I want to look at is the swipe distance of this thing. So animated swipe row, I believe handles that. So it is right open value. This is always true because this is for playlist. Item height, sure. And then render swipe action component. I think that's probably where it is. Oh no, the swipe action component is the icon. Wait, where is this? Is right open value. Oh, I think I know. So it's animated swipe row, and then open value is -75. So that, yeah, this never changed. So if is right open value will be the open value, which is set up above, right? Let's do this to like -150. Let's see if that makes a difference. DevC's React Native Interactive. I need to pee real quick. DevC's 67 line stack trace, guys. I think I was raged every epic. Nah. Yeah, no, that didn't work. So it wasn't that. I didn't think it was, but worth giving it a shot. Yeah, maybe it actually has to do with the 67 line error issue. Okay, so function components cannot be given refs. Attempts to access the ref will fail. Did you mean to use a React forward ref? Method of cell render in connect function at playlist 23. Playlist view 23. What? Oh, maybe it's because of this thing? Really? One of those things I say are sometimes it throws a complete unrelated error entirely with thin air and sends you on a hunt in a complete wrong direction. Dude, I hate when that happens. That happens in a lot of languages. Where's the syntax broken? Like in Visual Studio, when you're building a project and there's like a module missing or like a invalid path or something, it breaks at that point, and then every module that's supposed to load after it breaks as well. So you have like 500 errors and you're like, oh my god, what did I do? And then you have to go down the path and it's like, oh, I forgot to change the name of this one thing. Yeah, exactly. That's exactly what I understand too. What's up, broers? Welcome back, girl. Nice to see ya. Connect function though at playlist view 23 or play, yeah. So right here. Just curious if that's gonna change anything, because we always have gotten an error here. But I don't think that's always been there. I think it's something else. No, yeah, I'm pretty sure this is the error that I've always gotten. I just haven't looked into it yet, so it's not that. You're so jet lagged? Oh no. Jet lag kind of sucks. But hey, I'm sure you had a great time, huh? Totally worth the jet lag, in my opinion. For sure. A whole month in Thailand was horrible. I know, especially You saw these damn pigs on the beach or something? Like, what the? This is a terrible experience. I don't know anyone who would want to do that. Ooh. Maybe this possibly has something to do with it. Render playlist item. Delete song from playlist action. Delete song from playlist action. What the heck is that thing? Oh, that's delete song. My bad, my bad. I'm like, what? Roar sat beards. Linkseer, thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixlogic team, my friend. Glad to have you here. Welcome, welcome. What did I break, dude? This is so weird. I don't think that would have broke it. Center. Yeah, side menu. We have a center, which is good. Oh, maybe it's this? The side menu stuff? Nah, no way, dude. But it could be, right? It definitely could be. I guess we should probably try it to see if this actually potentially was the issue. Yeah. I'm not sure. Man, if this is... God, this is the issue. I'm going to be so pissed. That's so annoying. God damn it, man. Oh, this side menu stuff is going to be the death of me. Okay, I think I understand what's happening. Oh, man. Yvonne Jager, what is up? Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the Pixlogic team. Glad to have you here. Hey, good morning to you too. Or good day, afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you. So here's the issue. The side menu stuff, oh man, is activated with a swipe action. So I think what's happening, since we have our stack view implemented inside the side menu stuff, I think the swipe action isn't bubbling down. So it's trying to activate the swipe event handler on the side menu, but it's not. Oh, it's not. It doesn't go through to the bottom. So, damn it. That kind of sucks. Well, that kind of sucks. Another crutch in React Native navigation. I really want to go to Moscow. I would love to head over there one day, dude. It'd be so fun. One day it will happen. Man, well, maybe, yeah, maybe at this point we don't really... I feel like I should just keep it commented out, though. We'll just keep that there. This will be... Until I figure out how to do this. Yeah. JavaScript master scripter with really nice React hooks. Really? Huh. I had no idea. All right, let's see now if this action works, which is what we were trying to do to begin with. So we go here, do this. Yeah, I want to delete it. Boom! Sorry, I didn't mean to blow out your ears if I just did. Oh, you changed it? What the? What the? You want to kill me? What? Who is this? It's imposter right now. Oh, that's the OG account? Oh, snap. Okay. Okay. All right, so you can see that we pass and delete playlist type with the data of playlist 1, which is the ID. Then in our next, you see that we now only have 2 playlists left. So I delete one more. I go in here and I come back out here. Boom, shagalaka. Hello. Look at that. Look at this beautiful Redux. My God. Yo, Rackmas! Dude. My guy, Rackmas. How we doing? Thank you so much for the raid, man. Nice to see you, man. I'm very happy to see you streaming again. I wish I had more time to catch your scenes. Yes, thanks, Royce. Huge shout out. If you guys don't know who Rackmas is, him and I, we grew up on Twitch together. That's all I gotta say. It's how we roll. Heck yeah, dude. Welcome in from the channel. My name's Alec. I'm not your typical streamer. I do programming streams. Not really game streams, but maybe later in time. But we're working on a application for music collaboration with your friends for iPhone and Android. It's great. It's gonna be a good time. Dude, welcome back, man. Glad to see you. You grew up? Not literally, but I feel as though Rackmas and I started on Twitch at like the same time, and we did the grind. We've done the grind together for the past couple years. Yeah. Not your typical human. I program. I'm actually a computer. Yeah, James, dude, it's been something that I actively like think about a lot. I'm trying to figure out a way to do it right now. Actually, I don't know if you are, dude, but there's a team on Twitch called Live Coders, and they actually have, I think, like 150 people right now, and they're a pretty solid community, getting a bunch of programming streamers in there. You should hit me up after this and we can talk about it, because I think like you'd be a good fit for that if you're not already part of the team. But yeah, I agree. I think ultimately it's Twitch is a good start for our types of streams, but we need to build a new platform. We need a live streaming platform solely for programming. Yeah, I think that's what it is, and that we can get more people on it. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, dude, join it, man. Get in there. We should build it. Yeah, like low key, we should build the next live streaming platform for programmers. For sure. Hey, Rackmas, how was your stream, dude? What were you playing? Yeah, exactly. I don't want to. I don't know about like just programming, but I like to say tech in general, because I think you have a good point. It's like I would love to stream anything tech related. I would love to have talks on streams. I would love to see people program. Love to see people do their startup like real time, like 24-hour startup streams where they're just like, they do their thing and people can come by and watch. Presentations, like all that fun stuff. I just want them to have a new category for it. But here's the thing. I think categories are good on Twitch, but the problem with Twitch for our types of streams is that we are heavily crowded with, or we're overshadowed by every other stream on Twitch. Like we have a lot of people on, like from the past year or two, streaming programming and tech on Twitch, but it's still nothing compared to gaming streams, right? So like, when's the last time you've seen a programming streamer on the front page of Twitch? I personally have never seen it. And so like, even just that could bring in tons of traffic over here, but it's getting people to realize like, hey, you know that there are programming streams on Twitch? Yeah. So it's actually pretty crazy. Today I was streaming cheater banner at PUBG. Heck yeah, dude. You're getting pretty good at PUBG, huh? Yeah, James, we a while back, I don't think I had met you yet. A couple years ago I put on a hackathon on Twitch. It was called Hackalong. Got a bunch of people together, a bunch of programming streamers, and we hosted a 24-hour hackathon on Twitch. And dude, there was like, I think there was over 200 signups online. And it was like, a lot of people came in from outside of Twitch and they're like, holy crap, you stream on Twitch? And I was like, yeah, you can do this on Twitch. And I think stuff like that is very important. And I've been wanting to redo it and actually set up one here in Seattle where it's an in-person hackathon that is live streamed on Twitch with other people. Yeah. CDN data for video streaming costs a lot. If you want to have your own streaming service, you need to know that it's okay when there's 0 to 10 people watching when you get 500 streams. Sure, yeah. I mean, like, obviously it's not going to be a cheap thing. Like, you'd have to invest a lot of resources and time into it. But I think there's potential for something like that. Oh yeah? Dude, do it, man. Get it done. I think there's a lot of potential behind some sort of new platform for that. I have been thinking about it for a while. I've talked to my friend about it for a little bit too. And he's like, bro, just quit your job. I'm like, yo, you're right. Since we're talking, I'm just gonna go here for a little bit. But yeah, I don't know. It's a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff behind that. I think it's also a very daunting task for people to be like, yeah, let's build a new streaming service, blah. But like literally it could just be just how Justin TV started, right? One box for text and one thing for stream content. And there's change it a little bit so it's catered more towards the types of streams that we're looking for. Oh, gotcha. Live coding failed. Live coding did fail. You're right. That is a good point. I forgot about that. I did forget about that site. I love you, but I don't think I have a business head. Well, thanks for the kind words. And then telling me that I don't have a business head. I don't think I have right now the like insight to be like, yo, this is exactly where, like, how to build something out. I just have an idea and I just want to do it. And then we see what happens, right? Nothing serious. Yo, Freeman, thank you for the raid, dude. Nice to see you. How's it going? Welcome in, you 8 new developers. Welcome to the channel. Huge shout out. Give Freeman a follow if you guys haven't. We rated you yesterday, right? I can't remember. Feels like yesterday was so long ago. Feels like it was so long ago, friend. Hey, Cream Soda Waffle. Thank you so much for the follow. Welcome to the team. Guys, right now we're just talking about streaming, programming on Twitch, and building platforms. Yeah, it's a good one too. I don't know, man. There's a lot of potential, and I guess you're right. I feel like it would be cool to bring more people to Twitch in general, just so they understand, like, here are things that you can do, because the platform is there, right? And like, even in passing, people know what Twitch is. They're like, oh, that's that thing that Ninja or Shroud are on. Ironically, they're all on Mixer now, but you know, that same deal. Yeah. I've been trying to reach out through resources such as Instagram, to like bring people in, from out there, like in those sorts of areas as well, which I think is really interesting. I don't know if it's working too well. I don't know if I'm very good at it, but I'm trying. Yo, Choco Foxy, what's up? Set up and internet issues? What do you mean? What do you think about the new Eminem album? I actually haven't listened to it, but I heard it's very good from what people have said. We need to track the user product on an indie hacker. Yeah, that is true. That is 100% true. Yeah. I think over time, like, I don't know, the thing I like about this community is, like, we're talking about how to better our streams and our community, but I'm not like, yo, bro, let me jack that idea and I'm going to use it for myself and become the best programming streamer on Twitch. I think Twitch in general is like that, but I like that, you know? I like that. Yeah, that's right, Choco. That's right. Yeah, and I think that's what Live Coders is doing, Roars. And there are a couple sites out there. I don't think sites work. I don't think people are like, oh, let me go here and do that. There was also a GitHub repo that had a bunch of programming streamers in it. And I don't know. Maybe that does work. Yeah. Can you demo your project? Yeah, Chama. We're just currently talking about some stuff, but let me demo that for you. Yeah. It's getting the people here. And honestly, it could potentially even be the content, right? Like, from what I've seen, it's really, you have people that love programming streams, like they just want to freaking watch programming, like you just code. There's other people that are like, I want to watch programming, but I also want to interact with the streamer. And then there are other people that are kind of like, I don't really want to watch programming at all, but I really enjoy the environment of like a tech stream. So I find it very interesting. I don't know. Yeah, so it's like trying to find that balance for sure. But yo, James, we should talk off stream about this. I think we can come up with some pretty cool stuff. Like, one thing that attracted me a lot to your stream is just the is one, you know a lot, you're very smart, and then like I don't know, I guess I learn things on your stream. So I'm more that person that likes interacting with the streamer, but I also like to sit there and just like watch people do things and be amazed by it. Yes, we're sorry about that. All right, so here's the app. This app is called Grüvee. It's a collaborative music playlist application. Essentially, it's, hey, let me create a playlist with some of my friends with any streaming service. So we're going to have Spotify, YouTube Music, Apple Music, maybe some others that I might be missing. And essentially, you're going to log in, right? This is all mocked right now. And you'll have a set of playlists. So let's say that me and you create a playlist together. We can go in here. And these are all the songs that link to actual sites. So for example, I can go here, click on this, and this will actually link to Spotify. So based on the streaming service you have, it will link directly to your music source. You can listen to the song, whatever, and then you can come in here and you can chat about it with the people in your playlist group. And this pretty much came about with me and a buddy of mine. We always send music to each other. We still do, through iMessage. And it's annoying because like I lose track of it and between our different messages. And then also we don't comment. Like we don't talk about things on there. Or we talk about things in iMessage, but we don't have a way to keep track of all that stuff. So I don't know. That's the game plan. Pretty much we're on day 51. We're implementing some Redux state management right now. And then, and then we're going to start setting up some actual services to bring data into this and get our whole flow set up, which would be really, really cool. So yeah. Thanks, Chema. Hope that explains it. Yeah, James, I totally agree with you, man. I think at the end of the day, collaboration with other programming streamers and like not straight programming content is the way. Like workshops or something. Like talks. Like I always think of WWDC when they come out with something new and they're like, hey, this new iOS feature, and you have someone up there for 30 minutes being like, yo, let's build this like small little thing or like a cool little thing, stuff like that. And then also having workshops along those things. So yeah. Yes. Coding podcast recorded live on Twitch. Workshop with a few streamers doing 1.5 hour each, 3 of them in a row. Potentially. Yeah, dude, stuff like that could be awesome. Could be awesome. I think there's something more than just that. That's already done, right? Like you can go to YouTube and you can get that content. I feel like the whole point about Twitch is the interactivity, right? What can we do as streamers to get more people interacting with our stream directly while we're coding or while we're doing a workshop or whatever? Yeah, that's also true, Choco. Like there's definitely it would be interesting to see. It'd be interesting to see like the difference of if you're a dev, if you're a beginner, because I meet a lot of beginners that come here and they're just like, I'm new to programming. I don't know where to start. Can you give me some advice? Like, I think there's at least one person a stream, maybe 2 that come by and ask that question. Oh, gotcha, James. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, so our delete action worked after that huge tangent. Our delete action is working, which is good. Which means we can probably... I guess let me see where else this is being used. It's not, so we can actually delete this too. Woo! Get out of here, bro. No, dude, no need to be sorry. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm that streamer that, yeah, I love to code and like I want to finish my project, but I love, like, this is what collaboration and like these programming streams is about. Doing, talking to people, going off on tangents, like having fun with it. Ah. Sounds stupid, but hear me out. A whole channel community works on open source project. Dude, that doesn't sound stupid at all. That's been something that I've been trying to cater in my community here. And like it's definitely gaining some traction. Like on this project, we got a PR today for something, which is really cool. And we've had 3 contributors, so I always try to get people here to like go in and say, hey, if you see something you don't like on stream, or you want to actively be a part of this, go contribute. Yeah, go be a part of it, because not only does it help you, it helps me, and then we all get the credit for it, because this is something that I'm going to personally like put in the app stores, and so your name will be tagged along with that, right? And I think that's really cool, and it's a good resume piece and stuff like that. Yeah, this app is open source currently right now. If you actually go over here, GT, that's the repo right there. Yeah. And shout out to Roars. She put together a really nice README. So if you want to contribute, feel free to go over there, check it out. Yeah, I believe that's a really big thing, and I try to strive for my community to be a part of that. I think it's a lot of fun to get people's inputs and things like that. I expect 20% rev share for my contribution. Get out of here, bro. Nah, man, this app gonna be free. The goal of this app is to hit 100,000 users a month, every month. And then once it's done, it's done. Then we cancel it. No more. That's what I said, Roars. I said you wrote it. The backticks are crucial. Watch that like crash something somewhere and it's like too many characters. Okay, add song to playlist action. Listening here. Okay. So we can actually, you know what? This is a good point to stop because I gotta head out. Start the grind to work. But let's commit this, eh? Before we do that, before we start the grind. It's the docs lady. Yeah, dude, I stream. That's why I stream so early in the morning. I go before work. But I was talking about earlier how I don't think I can do it every single day. But yeah, I'm trying to do it before work. I need to move my own body to bed somehow. Any tips on how to do it? Such a weird thing. Dude, just get up and do it, man. Hovercraft or hoverboard. It's a new age thing, right? All right, so the only thing we did here was we removed this and this. Nice. Okay. Yo, Choco Foxy. Thanks so much for the follow, friend. Glad to have you here as part of the community. Welcome into the Pixelogic team. We added the delete playlist Redux stuff to swipeable playlist item. So we'll end up adding the rest of those here tomorrow. Redux action container for delete playlist. Map dispatch 2 props. Looking solid, my lad. Added the action type. That's good. And then add playlist. Oh, I deleted that. Add playlist action.js. I removed that file. Updated the reducer with these beautiful comments, of course. And then we added another action type case here for delete playlist, which is good. And then index.js, we added the we removed the side menu slide out stuff for now. We're gonna put that back in. And then playlist actions, this beautiful comment here. Jesus. We essentially added this new file for our playlist actions. So add playlist action, which essentially is holding our logic for this, which I guess we'll do the thunk stuff maybe one day. But yeah, that looks good. Adding action for delete playlist. Get pushed, babe. Oh. Anyways, friends, it has been real. Thank you all for being here today. If you're new here, give the channel a follow. We'd love to have you back. Get notified when I go live. I'm here right now, Monday through Friday, 5:30 a.m. PST and 12:30 p.m. UTC. Here doing programming. We're going to start doing some other streams maybe later in the day. Gaming, talking, whatever. I don't know, dude. Anything that comes to mind. But if you haven't as well, check out my Instagram. We'd love to have you all in there. We'd love to have you guys there. I post stories probably every day, maybe like one or two. Post some stuff every so often. And yeah, just trying to show a little bit of the outside life of what happens outside Twitch, and as a Microsoft dev, as much as I can show at least. So we'd love to have you all part of that. Yeah, turn on those notifications. That would be dope. That would be dope. But at the end of every stream, I love throwing a raid to a fellow programming streamer. So we're gonna go see who is online right now. And if you're a sub, grab that first message, Adalam Pog. Let's get Grüvee. And if you're not, no worries. Grab that second one. Twitch raid. Let's get Grüvee. Grüvee. Let's see who we got today. Daddy Bill clap. Daddy Bill. Nightbot not sub? Nah, man. I'm a loser. I'm a loser. I'm a loser. Yeah, let's go over here. Let me show you what we're looking at here. Let's see who we got on Twitch today. Dun, dun. New year, new stream, hot layover, overlay. Oh, this looks cool too. Let's take a look. See, I like streaming smaller streamers. Oh, is it just him? Or is he doing something secret? Might be just doing something secret. Oh, this guy. Blended software. Cliche Java Twitch bot. Oh, Java. Okay. Let's do it. Blended software. Get in on that raid, folks. Let's show Blended Software some love. Let's get Grüvee. It has been a fun day, everyone. Thank you again for being here. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Let's show some love over here, huh? Let's give this guy a good raid. Anyways, take it easy too, James. Thanks for being here, man. It's been fun. Peace and love, and I'll catch you all tomorrow. Bye. Bye, 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 bye.